Hello everyone, I'm Mohit and today we are going to see a case study on the signals and system. So its aim is to find the transfer function of a mixing tank problem, and we have to also model the system. So what are we given with? We are given a tank with a chemical solution in it, and the volume of the tank is fixed. So the flow of chemical in and out is also constant as the volume of the tank is fixed, but the concentration of the solution differs. The flow of chemical in and flow of chemical out, the concentration in them differs. So high concentration liquid is coming in and some concentration of liquid is flowing out, which we do not know, but we want to calculate, like we want to get that desired concentration. So we have to model the system such that we get the desired concentration of liquid coming out from the tank. So first we will take the initials, which is like the flow rate, tank volume and concentration. So here you can see it is the tank, its capacity is V and flow is Q. Flow in and flow out both are Q. Concentration coming is Cn and concentration outgoing is C out. So we have started by taking the differential equation, which is Q into concentration coming in equal to Q into concentration going out plus V into dC out by dt. So simplifying the equation, and then we have taken the Laplace transform both side, which now we have got Q into CIS equal to COS into Q plus Vs. So here we got, by simplifying this, COS by CIS, which is the transfer function, like C output and C input. So it is the transfer function, and which we have got 1 upon 1 plus Ts. Here T is V upon Q, which is volume upon the flow. So now we are modeling the system like it is input CIS and here we have the output COS, and in between we have the transfer function, which is 1 upon 1 plus Ts. Now if we have the transfer function input, we can get the desired output, so which we wanted. So this also comes handy in mixing the chemicals, and it is heavily used in the chemical industry. That's all from my side. Thank you.